Taimer offers a cloud-based expense management tool that lets you manage your expenses on the go. No more hassle with receipts. Let us now see how to create, manage, and collect reimbursable expenses from clients on invoices. You can view all your current and past expenses in Taimer from the Expenses module. Here you can see a comprehensive view of your expense-related details. Use the Options tab to change the status of an expense or filter the rows using status, billing type, date range, or any of the advanced search filters. Before you start creating an expense, let's go and define the expenses settings. There are two customizable predefined payment types, company money and own money. These will help you with reimbursements and reporting. Here you can even define user-specific payment types. Also, create your company spend types. We have predefined 4 categories which can be customized. These are travel, sales costs, office supplies, and entertainment. Now let's go and create a new expense from the Add New tab in the header. Select the account associated with the expense and then add the project. If the account and project don't already exist, don't worry, you can add them directly from here. Next, update the payment type, the purpose, and the date. Once done, fill in the expense details on the right and click on Save. Don't forget to upload your receipt directly from here. Send it for approval right away or do it later from the Expenses module. Reimburse expenses from your clients. Simply activate the Expenses tab in the Invoicing section of the project card and it will appear on the invoice. Here is something even more interesting. The Taimer dashboard offers a brilliant view of all your expenses and spend type at a glance. To learn more about this, watch the tutorial on how to create an expense.